first episode of Gotscake on pop. It's really cool. Believe me, you'll see. Peanuts. Anyways, I know how I'm gonna live. You have food, no water. Gum, that's good. Gum, I like gum a lot. I really like gum. It's so tasty the way it's like, I see you and everything else in my existence. Oh, and I have my iPod. Cool, let's listen to some music. Damn it, I forgot the earphones. Well, anyways, so now I only have my food, my gum, and this camera. It's such a beautiful camera. If I knew how beautiful it was, really, like, if I really knew how beautiful it really was, I think I'd marry it. I need you to comment right down there, you know, like in the box there somewhere or something. Subscribe, which is over there, I think. No. I need you to subscribe, which is like over there, you know, because it's really big. It's like, whoo, and it says like subscribe, you know. It's like, whoa, subscribe. So I need you to comment to help me get out of my car, because if not, I'm stuck in my car. And if you want to see more videos, please comment.